Iceland. Time has shaped me. The fire that never sleeps and the ice that never forgives. For centuries I have existed unseen. Here, the cold is not an enemy. The wind is not a punishment. And the silence is not emptiness. The rain falls without asking. The earth opens up without warning. Here, nothing tries to impress you. Nothing tries to be extraordinary. It simply is. Those who arrive believe they have come to see me. But Iceland is not meant to be seen. It is meant to be felt. In this land, everyone walks on the same ground, but no one lives the same story. Because what you find here is never the place itself. It is what the place reflects back to you. Here, time stretches out, noise fades away, and human beings remember their size. I don't make you feel small to humiliate you. I make you feel small so you can hear again. Because when everything stops, when the light disappears, when the sky begins to move, something inside begins to breathe again. This is not a place to conquer. This is not a place to control. It is a place to wait, to observe, to understand. And sometimes, if you are patient enough, you realize that the answer you were looking for was much closer than you ever imagined.